if we're not helping the business grow, we can't grow. You have to be willing to, set aside your personal gains for the better of the company.
If you're not humble and you can't relate to any job there is, I don't think that you're going to be successful. I would hope that no one thinks that I'm above doing any job that I ask them to do, and I think that's part of being a humble person, is not expecting anything different from everyone around you that you do out of yourself.
Not trying to be up here on a platform and getting down, getting their hands dirty and working with everybody, and that's all I've seen at Jones. Everybody has jumped in and tried to help me, and vice versa, and it's kind of been amazing.
Obviously, we have to work for a greater cause, whatever that may be. Being humble is important, that we don't get too big for our britches. So we've been able to grow at a very rapid clip over the last few years, and without us being humble, we can kind of get out of focus. So humility is extremely important.
Always stay humble. I guess that's another daddy lesson, Always come in and appreciate what you have. I thank God every day that I have a job and that I have somewhere to work like Jones.
At Jones, we have the humility to say that, we're not the best. While we're extremely good at what we do, we're always looking for the answers to what will make us better. I don't think we're arrogant enough to say we know it all.
Sometimes we have to admit things that we're not necessarily proud of, whether it's something that happened with a load, or if we missed a step, we have to admit that to the customer, or we have to admit that to one of our truck drivers. And it's not a comfortable thing, but it helps them learn that they can actually trust us, that we're doing everything we can, whether it's our mistake or someone else's.
I'll go back to not building walls, not building silos. That humility is being a part of a team and realizing that you are an integral part of the team, and it's not about you, it's about us.